Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find trending hashtags on TikTok. So first, you want to open your TikTok app. Then once you are on your TikTok app, go ahead and log in your account. Then go to your For You page or home. You can see it on the lower left side of your screen, and then click on the search button on the upper right side of your screen. Then here, go ahead and search for trending hashtag. Then just search. Then here on the upper part of your screen, there's a lot of options like top, videos, users, sounds. So you just want to click on hashtags, okay, because we're finding trending hashtags. Then as you can see here on the right side of the hashtag, you can see how many views the hashtag has. So for example, for this first hashtag, the hashtag trending hashtag, it's 241.3 million views. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.